Hello everyone. Welcome to Family's number one channel.
Questions and answers in English. What is watermelon?
Watermelon is a fruit.
Is watermelon mostly water?
Yes, watermelon is mostly water.
Does watermelon have vitamins?
Yes, watermelon has vitamins.
Can watermelon help with weight control?
Yes, watermelon can help with weight control.
Does watermelon have any health benefits?
Yes, watermelon has several health benefits. Is watermelon a fruit or a vegetable?
Watermelon is a fruit.
Does watermelon have a high water content?
Yes, watermelon has a high water content.
Does watermelon provide any vitamins?
Yes, watermelon provides vitamins.
Is watermelon beneficial for hydration?
Yes, watermelon is beneficial for hydration.
Can watermelon help with weight management?
Yes, watermelon can help with weight management.
Congratulations! Well done, learners! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Wish you success!